Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Farley. I am a middle school / high school history teacher, and I wanted to give parents and family members an opportunity to learn a little bit about, due to our virtual open house this year, my Hudson Valley U.S. history course that I'm offering for the first time starting this semester for juniors and seniors in the high school. My history course will be offered, it's HVCC, Hudson Valley History 110, which is basically American history from the ancient Native American cultures up to the end of the Civil War and the Reconstruction period. And what's unique about this class, it's going to be offered for a half year, both in the fall semester and in the spring semester 2022. So to give you some background on the course, this course will be offered again, as I said, to juniors and seniors, and we have 5 students currently enrolled in the class for the fall semester, and again, it'll be offered again in the spring semester. This will allow students with an aptitude in history and in social studies to earn college credit, 3 credits for the successful completion of the course in U.S. history. I've got students specifically that plan on attending college when they graduate, and provided you complete the class successfully and you pass the final exam, you will have 3 credits toward college under your belt that is accepted in most college situations entering in as a freshman. So this class, as I said, will be offered twice, once in the fall semester. We're currently about a week and a half into the first offering, and then again, it'll start in January for a new group of students. So if you know someone else in your family, or you know a friend of maybe your child who's taking this class now, please encourage them to sign up, as the course will be offered again, the same course, in January of 2022. A couple of things on grading. This class is designed for students, as I said, who have an aptitude for social studies, who have had a successful high school career up until now in the humanities and social studies and history and in English. And it will be a challenging course. It will consist of a lot of independent readings. Each week there is a daily reading list that students will be required to read a full chapter each week, the 20 weeks of the course, from their textbook. And also it will require a lot of independent viewing of AP type videos that connect with the curriculum that we're using. Since this is a course that's basically condensed into a half year, it's normally something that I would teach a full year to 7th and 8th graders, but it's being offered in a condensed half year setting. Students are required and will need to show an ability to work independently, both in reading and in viewing numerous videos to help prepare for class on a regular basis. That being said, students will be graded in really 4 ways for my class. There'll be 4 grading categories. There'll be a grade for their homework and their video assignments. I grade video assignments by completion. I assign videos, and I can track if videos are viewed and completed in their entirety. Students will be graded, 20% of their grade will be on those homework and video assignments. 20% of a student's grade in this college level class will be based on their quiz. 20% will be based on their quiz, and 20% will be based on their classwork assignment. Okay, their day-to-day work during class, whether we're working on historical documents, whether we're working on group assignments, or whether we're working on any type of activity on a daily basis. Students will typically be graded 20% of their grade will be based on their classwork, and an additional 20% will be on their weekly vocab quizzes. We typically will have a vocab quiz each and every Monday on that prior week's vocab terms. So every Monday, hell or high water, there will be a vocab quiz on the previous week's vocab. And the final portion of their grade, which is also the largest portion of their grade, 40% of their class average for the semester will be on their tests. And there will be a total of 3 maximum, 2 plus a final exam. So there's a little bit about my course, and I'm excited to teach it. I'm excited to have your child in my class this semester for my first Hudson Valley offering, and I'm looking forward to spending the semester with them this year. If you need to contact me, if you have any questions about curriculum, if you have any questions about your child's progress or any questions on assignments, you can view the Google Classroom page where each student has access daily, a daily stream of materials that I will share and update. If you need to contact me by phone, you can reach me at 518-686-7321. I'm at extension 2227. And if you need to contact me via email, you can email me at farleyc, Farleyc, at hoosickfallscsd.org. I usually will get back to emails within a business day, a school day, and I am looking forward to, as I said, working with your children and keeping you abreast of what's going on in Hudson Valley history. Any questions, please contact me, and I look forward to speaking with you when we have the opportunity. Thank you.